Good morning. Today is July 5, 2024. It's already Friday. Your humble servant is at Itsanao, corner Aurora Boulevard, Pasay City. So there is MRT, there is Itza Carousel, there are PUG, and others. So this time, my dear friend, please permit me to share Psalms 34:11, which says, "Come, children, and I will teach you, and I will teach you to fear the Lord." So it's a very good reminder to each of us that to fear the Lord, we need to fear the Lord. So what shall we do for us to have fear the Lord? So my dear friend, so we see fear the Lord, the source of it is the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. So the source of wisdom is fear the Lord. So it's nice to hear, to know that wisdom, we can have it as a blessing if we have it, if we fear the Lord. So my dear friends, it's nice to share it with our children. So children, according to psychologists, their mind is tabula rasa. So it means that open mind. So we can impart what is good to them, especially the good news. So it means from the Bible, scriptural verses, we can give it to them. So it's nice that we can give them one verse every day. So every day we can give them one verse. My dear friend, we are now in MRT. Good morning. God bless you, sir.